Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Somerton local and long-distance movers near me. Some local movers are small mom-and-pop companies that operate independently, while others affiliate with major national chains. In either case, movers working on local jobs are not regulated, which means it's up to you to determine that the company is legitimate. 3 Movers recommends that you ask movers for a copy of their business license. While this doesn't guarantee that they will do a good job, it documents their legal operation. You can also request proof of insurance coverage and ask how long they have been in the business. Getting some references from recent customers will also help you develop a sense of their approach to business and service. Local moves are typically less costly than long-distance jobs and may be completed for less than $1,000. The price for a long-distance move will depend on the shipment size and the trip distance, and the average is approximately $4,500 for a medium-sized home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Somerton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.